Hi everyone, today I want to talk about drafting a skirt pattern, and I promise you that by the end of the video, you will be good at it. So, for the pattern we need these measurement, write these down and let's get right into pattern drafting. Oh, by the way, I have decided on giving the channel a face, a virtual face that is. I would like to know your views on it. Enough of that, now back to the pattern. First, draw a vertical line equal to the skirt length as shown. Then, mark the waistline equal to the quarter of the round waist measurement. Go down by the hip level measurement. And, make a line equal to the quarter of the round hip. At the bottom, draw a line for the hem, equal to a quarter of the round hip measurement. Connect the hip and hem line with a vertical line as shown. Join the waist and hip line with a curved line as shown here. Add grain line, unfold line and labels as shown. Add seam allowances and fold allowances, and there you have it, the basic skirt pattern is ready. Thank you for tuning in today for the video. If you have any questions, please add them in the comments. That's all for now, see you all on the next one.